Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlen, and on this channel, we focus on everything BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and stay a while? So in today's video, we are reviewing the Heavenly Dream Angel from Victoria's Secret. I have tried it in the travel spray. I do have the perfume. We shall see if I will open it up after I tell you what I think about the actual fragrance itself and the fragrance fine mist. So if you want to see my thoughts on Victoria's Secret Heavenly Dream Angel, then just stay tuned. All right, so today we are continuing in my October and November month of reviews, where we are testing out several different perfumes from different companies, Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, things that I picked up from Perfumania, things I've picked up from the dupe houses like Genre Parfums, Juliana's Perfumes, and some of my Middle Eastern fragrances, and some of the other designer fragrances that I have hauled with you guys. So be sure to check out my playlist for my perfume collections, so you can keep track of those if you want to go back and check some of those out. But today we are discussing the Victoria's Secret Heavenly Dream Angel. So this is the packaging that it comes in for the travel spray, which has a 7 ml or 0.23 fluid ounce. And then they have a fine fragrance mist that's a 250 ml, that's 8.4 ounce. It has like a cloudy, like shiny interior to it, so it has like a shimmer to it. And then we have the perfume here that is a 1.7 fluid ounce or 50 ml. Now these regularly retail for $59.95. Without a sale, the fine fragrance mist is normally $25 originally, and the travel sprays are typically $19.95. But let's get into this one. So let me pop it back out because I tested this out the other day, and what I typically do with this, you guys, let me show you. That's what it looks like. So you see how much I've utilized of this from a one-day wear test. So I typically wear my fragrances behind my ears, down my chest, my pulse points of my wrist and the inner of my elbow, my stomach, and behind my knees. That's typically where I place my fragrances, and then I will place some on top of my clothing whenever I get done getting dressed. So testing these fragrances, just used a basic Nivea in a dark blue bottle lotion and place this on top so I can see what the fragrance will react to just on its own. With that being said, Heavenly Dream Angel has prismatic musk, raspberry nectar, and amber crystals as its keynotes. But when you look at the Victoria's Secret site, it has additional notes listed because I was picking up on more things in here, and I was correct because it has more fruits going on in here than they list. So don't mistake this for just straight up musky scent, because I'm not a big musk lover. But if the musk is mixed in with fruits and has a little sweetness about it, which this does, it makes me love it more. But I wanted to test it out. I have the regular Heavenly that I'm also going to be testing out with you guys. That will be the one that will be next after this one. I wanted to try this one first. But this one on the site says it opens with a brilliant fruits of raspberry nectar, which they do list. But it also mentions white strawberry and mandarin orange. So you definitely pick up on the freshness of those two scents, especially the orange. For me, a mandarin orange to me is a sweeter orange. And then it says blooming florals at the heart fade into a flash of prismatic musk. Now, they don't list the florals on here, but you definitely pick up on that there is some floral in here. And I'm trying to pinpoint exactly which one it is. But I can't, I haven't been able, I don't know if it's iris or... It is a floral that's in here, but they're not listing what it is. But it's a powdery type floral, and it's just added just enough to add a little element to the fragrance. But as it goes down from the musk, it says a warm decadent aura is created with vanilla, tonka, and amber crystals. So you do get the warmth of the amber, but you are definitely getting some sweetness in here. So that's where that vanilla and tonka is in. And so that's what was scaring me about this one at first, because all you saw was prismatic musk, raspberry nectar, and amber crystals. I'm like, well, I know I love the last two. So it depends on how musky this smells, that prismatic musk, as if I'm going to enjoy this or not. With all that being said, the musk in here is here, but it's a bright musky scent. But it has those other elements of the slight florals, mostly fruity, with the sweetness from the vanilla and the tonka. So, and the amber crystals that's in there is just adding a little warmth. So it's like a warm skin scent that has the fruit element, and it has the musky element. But what I can say about this is it smells, this is a musky scent that I can get behind. I enjoyed this very, very, very much. It smells delicious. It's something that you can wear every day. This can quickly become your signature scent. This is a scent that you can wear year round also. And while I'm talking about this, this had good longevity, which I was super surprised about with it being a musky scent. The Fine Fragrance Mist also did pretty good. I really enjoyed this. I was super shocked by this one. And to me, this one, let me spray. Yeah, to me, this, you picking up more of the fruits in here. So more, I mean, the musk is still there, but you're picking up more of the fruits with the sweetness, which really is gonna, if you really love more of the fruit element, you're gonna enjoy the mist. But the musk is there, it's not gone. I just pick up on it more at first initial spray with this. So this is a beautiful Fine Fragrance Mist. I enjoy this one very much. I'm glad I have it. So with that being said, this is a hit for me, and I told you guys that if I do enjoy it in the travel sprays, that I will be opening up this. So let's go ahead and get this open, because I did enjoy this one. And you know, this is what, if you guys saw my Bath & Body Works declutter recently, I mentioned how Sweetest Song that they had released earlier this year, it had that fruity, musky scent about it as well. But as that body mist sat, that thing got super musky. Like the fruits was non-existent almost, and it was super musky, like in a bad way for me, because I need the balance of it for me to like it. This thing is super compact in here. There you go. All right. So again, this was the 1.7 fluid ounce. So this is what that bottle looks like. Gorgeous bottle. Very slim, like a little slim silhouette, just like it should be. It's like it says Heavenly Dream Angel on it. It does remind you of a very feminine silhouette of a woman. And so that's what this bottle is giving. This is a gorgeous, like I said, everyday scent that you can wear day or night. It's just, it works. This can be somebody's signature scent And this Fine Fragrance Mist is gorgeous. So like I said, this is a musk I can get behind. I hope this doesn't get muskier as it sits, but I like it as it is now. So we'll see what it will do, because I know some fragrances change over time, and I'm hoping this does not. I hope it stays the way it is. If anything, I hope gets stronger will be the berries and the vanilla in there. But it's perfect the way it is. I love it. So that is my thoughts on Heavenly Dream Angel, on the Perfume, on the Fine Fragrance Mist. I think they both are great deals, especially if you can get it on sale. At the time of me filming this, they had another scent event sale going on where you can buy one, get one free on the perfumes. So this is a great opportunity to take advantage of that for yourself, to buy for yourself or for others. But love that. Love that, absolutely. So highly recommend that one. If you're not a musk lover, but you like musk, if it's just balanced, you will love that. It definitely has the fruitiness. It definitely has the little slight sweetness about it. And it smells very feminine and gorgeous. And that's everything I have to say about Victoria's Secret Heavenly Dream Angel, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have this scent in your collection, tell me what you think about it down below in the comments. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.